Hi everyone! Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Russell. Kung bago ka pa lang dito, click mo na yung subscribe button and bell icon below para wala kang mamiss sa ating mga video uploads about making money online and side hustle tips. Huwag mo na rin kalimutan i-like, i-share at mag-comment sa video na to. For our topic in today's video guys, pag-uusapan naman natin ang pagiging isang graphic designer. If you're someone who has a great video and photo editing skills, at kung creative ka when it comes to creating different designs, different artwork, this one is definitely for you. Make sure guys to watch this video up until the end para malaman nyo kung paano ka ba magiging isang graphic designer at home. Graphic design is one of the most significant axes for businesses. Graphics, or how a specific product is presented to us, is something that would catch our attention, diba? Imagine how would you feel paying for a specific product and getting it poorly designed. Hindi ka naman masasatisfy, diba? Or say for example, may mga nakita kang ads, and yung ads hindi siya catchy, hindi siya creative, walang kadating-dating. Or if the graphics of that specific ad is not great, hindi mo naman yan i-click. I-skip mo lang yan. So that is why graphic plays a vital role in helping to build any brand's image. At syempre, it creates a long-lasting impressions to customers. So sa panahon ngayon, hindi lang naman sa mga job seekers yung mataas yung competition. Sa sobrang dami ng mga businesses na nalalaunch all over the world, tumataas rin syempre yung competition between clients on how they can market their own business, products, or services. Lalo na guys dun sa mga businesses na pare-parehas. Say for example, e-commerce stores for skincare products. So sobrang dami na ng mga lines of businesses dyan or mga companies na nagko-compete when it comes to skincare. One factor that would make a business or a brand stand out is how they present their business in terms of graphics. So, pwedeng sa social media, pwedeng sa ads, pwedeng sa website design, or anything na may graphics na related. This is also the same reason guys kung bakit tumataas yung demand for graphic designers. Ano ba yung magiging job duties mo and responsibilities as a graphic designer? You will be in charge to design websites, logo, print headers, illustrations, product images, social media posts and stories, advertisements, and a lot more. You will also be communicating with clients and consumers to develop designs that portray an intended message. So, syempre, hindi lang basta-basta design yung gagawin mo. Syempre, bago ka mag-create ng designs, there's a topic and message na kailangan ma-relay mo dun sa viewers or audience. Syempre, at first, you need to produce drafts which will be for client reviews, and you should make revisions based dun sa feedback na na-receive nyo sa client. Syempre, yung gusto or taste ni client yung ipa-follow mo. So, if your client commented on anything, ask you to edit a specific part, you do it. You will also be testing different graphics across various media. You should be responsible to review the graphics you will be doing. Ito ay final review guys to identify any errors before publishing the material. You should be up to date with the latest design trends, tools, and different technologies. What skills ba ang kailangan meron ka to be a graphic designer? Number one, of course, is creativity and imagination. So as a graphic designer, you will be creating your own designs. Hindi ka naman pwedeng kumopya sa iba. So you should create your own. Kailangan sobrang lawak ng imagination mo and super creative ka. You should have the ability to conceive and create designs. You should have a great editing skills. Kasi bukod sa magde-design ka, syempre mag-edit ka rin ng mga graphics for your final output. You should have, of course, accuracy and attention to detail. Kailangan expert ka rin in using any editing platforms or tools required by the client. Hindi ka naman mag-a-apply sa client na nagre-require ng ganitong tool na hindi mo naman nagamit before. Diba? You should have the ability to manage your time and meet specific deadlines. Ano ba yung mga requirements? Yung mga tools na kailangan meron ka to be a graphic designer. Number one is a graphic design or editing tool like Photoshop, Illustrator, InDesign, Canva, or kung ano man yung specific tool na i-require ng client. Some clients naman ay nagbibigay ng access to their own editing platforms, pero it's much better if you have your own tool. Kasi dito guys, freelance, you're selling your own services. So you should have your own tool to produce your own work. You should have your own computer or laptop. Siyempre, hindi naman advisable to use a phone. Sobrang challenging yan guys, kasi kailangan mo dito ng details na mahirap gawin sa phone. So, much better kung laptop or PC. Pero kung mag-graphic design ka in terms of social media posts and stories lang, I think using a phone is fine. So, kung may specific na client na nag-hire ng graphic designer for just social media, you can use your phone. Yes, that's fine. And syempre, kailangan mo ng stable internet connection. Those are the requirements and skills, guys. Now, for the expected salary, so take note guys, expected salary, it can be lower than this expected rates or it can be higher, depende of course sa client. Pero usually for entry-level graphic designers, you can be paid around $10 to $35 per hour. Intermediate level, it can be $35 to $60 per hour. And sa mga experts na talagang nagde-design na ng mga logos or websites ng mga sikat na mga brands, yung mga may experience na in working with different clients talaga at nakakuha ng mga magandang reviews. So you can get paid around $65 to $100+ on an hourly basis. So pwede rin kayong bayaran per project basis. So may mga nagbabayad hindi per hour or per output, per design. So may mga ganun ding clients. So depende yan guys. For the payment, it can be either through wire transfer or bank transfer, Wise, PayPal, Payoneer, or any other methods na available din kay client. So, now, ang question is, saan ka ba pwede mag-apply as a graphic designer? Or saan ka ba pwede magbenta ng mga designs? So, here are the 6 websites or companies kung saan pwede kang kumita as a graphic designer. First on the list is 99designs.com. Pwede mo rin gamitin si envato.com, coreflot.com, behance.net, designweek.co.uk, and designjobsboard.com. So, ilan lang to guys sa mga graphic design websites na pwede nyong applyan. At syempre, pwede rin kayo mag-apply sa mga freelancing portals like Upwork, onlinejobs.ph, you can sell your services in Fiverr, and a lot more freelancing portals. Kung tingin mo ay kaya mong maging isang graphic designer, nasa iyo yung skills, qualities ng pagiging isang graphic designers, and you have the necessary tools and technical requirements, so why not venture into being a graphic designer, right? Those are all the information that I'd like to share with you on how you can be a graphic designer. I hope nakatulong to guys. And if nakatulong to, give this video a like and share nyo na rin to sa mga friends and mga kakilala nyo. If you have any questions, comments, or content suggestions, leave them for me in the comment section. And make sure guys to click the subscribe button below and the bell icon for more videos like this. That's it for now guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye for now and God bless everyone.